But is that damaging to? Is that being a bad steward of what God gave us? If He gave us the resources that are in the earth to do what we're doing today,
I can't imagine. I can't imagine how that would be being a bad steward or an irresponsible steward of the resources on the earth. I don't know exactly where, but there have been pits. You know, we have the La Brea tar pit. Well, that's literal asphalt, heavy crude that's at the surface. If somebody in our distant past came across one of those and actually accidentally saw lightning strike it or something and it lit up, or however it may have come about, that it proved to be a source of fuel of some kind. Man's been making tools for a long time.
Yeah.
A long time. I'm sure that Adam was probably involved in the making of tools to improve his ability to break the ground that was cursed for him because of his sin.